Welcome! In front of me I have BLACKVIEW R3 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to unpair this watch from the iPhone. First we need to open the Glory Fit application on the iPhone that is paired with our watch. After you open the application, you can tap on the device icon to open the device page, and here on this page you should see your R3 Pro. Right here at the top, also you should see the battery level. This means that the watch is connected with your iPhone. Now scroll down through this page, find the option called Unpair, tap on it, tap on I know, tap on yes, and wait. The device will disappear from the device page. Now we can close the application, open the settings on our iPhone. In settings we can tap on Bluetooth, and here find the R3 Pro on the list of my devices, tap on the info icon next to it, tap on forget this device, tap on forget device to confirm. And then you can close the settings. And at this point the watch is completely unpaired from our iPhone. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.